If you run a manufacturing business, then you know it's an incredibly complex undertaking. And to grow your business, you need to be able to overcome all the challenges that affect your productivity. Challenges like substandard materials that negatively affect customer satisfaction and increase waste. Keeping up with compliance in all your operations and in those of your suppliers. Planning and scheduling production runs so orders are delivered on deadline. Keeping your facility properly staffed and properly managing the time and workloads of your employees. Ensuring that all materials and parts are in stock when they need to be in stock to prevent downtime and delays. Managing relationships with transporters, distributors, and warehouses, and so much more. If you don't have all the information you need to ensure you can address all these challenges, it can stall your business and your growth. Relying on different software solutions, communication systems, and filing strategies can cause confusion and information gaps. Fortunately, ePROMIS Manufacturing Cloud is here to help eliminate inefficiency and confusion in modern manufacturing. It provides all the manufacturing management tools you need all in one place and right at your fingertips wherever you are. With ePROMIS Manufacturing Cloud, you can manage procurement, optimize spends on materials, and manage vendor quotes. Create estimates to determine costs for new and existing orders. Manage your inventory with real-time access to supply information, even in multiple warehouses. Enable more complete and efficient collaboration between your employees, helping them solve problems faster. And increase customer satisfaction by producing better manufactured products. An ePROMIS Manufacturing Cloud is designed to work where and when you work. When you're at home, traveling between facilities, or even out of the country on holiday, you'll always have access to real-time project information right on your mobile or tablet. Now, that's true power at your fingertips. ePROMIS is helping thousands of manufacturing companies around the globe manage projects more efficiently and grow their business. And ePROMIS Manufacturing Cloud is a part of the ePROMIS FutureGen Enterprise Platform, a comprehensive platform designed for a wide range of industries. ePROMIS has also earned many awards and gained recognition for providing innovative solutions to businesses around the world. So don't just manage your business. Grow your business with the efficiency-building tools ePROMIS offers manufacturers. Contact us today to learn more about the business-enhancing features of ePROMIS Manufacturing Cloud.